So I wanted to show you guys what Lone Crow looks like when she's secretly glamping on a weekend in between a section hike backpacking trip. But this is her guiltily glamping. This is what we got this weekend. See right here we have the shower water getting warm in the sun. And then over here we've got our fabulous bathroom slash shower house. Our ridiculous Flying Diamond 6 tent, and our bug house because it's been awful with bugs. Everything is very unmaintained. Let's see, what do we have inside? Are you doing hard work?
Yes, I'm doing research for my next video on the...
That's Sarah's dishes right there. You can tell it's all organized because, yeah, I just, I didn't think the people wanted to hear about Lone Crow's videos.
Well, it's called Lone Crow's Adventures. Don't they want to know?
Yeah, but I mean, I'm showing them your glamping adventure. I think that they're going to be like, not very hardcore.
It's pretty hardcore. I mean, this is, camping in the lap of luxury.
Oh, and then to cut her off again, over here, we have that's our morning coffee burner. And we've been doing all our cooking on our fire, which has pretty much stayed burning for 2 days in a row now. And then there she is again, still not adventuring.
I'm doing a research.
Yeah, she's researching adventures to have. I think that goes against the very definition of adventure.
Check it out. We got a couple of breakfast sandwiches and some fire-cooked tater tots. Oh, it's gonna be so good.
That one's mine. Keeping a clean campsite.
Grub Daddy said hello.
Getting your rinse on. Dry time. So this is what we use to dry our dishes. It's a little pack towel. This thing's awesome, little microfiber towel. It's got a little carabiner, which is nice. The bag's attached to it, so when you're done, I just usually hook it up to one of these loops and it can dry right out, which is pretty awesome. Drying the dishes. And when you're done, you just hang your pack towel to dry. And you can hang the Scrub Daddy too. And here we've got the Kelty H2 Go. And I will show you guys this. This is an upgraded bathroom structure. So we've got the little Lugabaloo portable toilet and all of our accessories in there for a handy dandy going on the go. Oh, what's the warden doing now?
Have you stopped the rocking? I'm starting to feel sick. Like you get in it and it just rocks and there's no way to stop it. It's upsetting.
So this is...
No, you won't stop the rocking. Oh, that's much better.
Alright.
The comfort one.
So this is the daytime hammock lounging area here for us. So this is where Sarah hangs out when I shoot my videos. So this is our car camping tent, the Big Agnes Flying Diamond 6. This is a humongous tent. And sometimes we use Coleman Trailhead 2 camp cots. This time we've opted for a couple of Exped mats. Sorry, it's a little messy in there. So we got two 30-inch wide Exped mats inside of here. And there's actually enough space in this corner back here. At night we can actually pull our Lugabaloo right inside the tent with us. So if we have to pee, we don't have to get out of our tent. Then we have another tent right over here. And that's the tent that we're going to use for when my sister-in-law and her kids come out tomorrow. Our percolator, pots and pans, our wash basin, coffee mugs, drink koozies, basically everything that you're ever going to need. Pop those taters on. Let them boil for a little while. Look at that. Nice, juicy, delicious New York strip. Oh boy, that's gonna be good. We've got some foil packet mushrooms and some foil packet potatoes. The old Coleman lantern. Hopefully this thing doesn't give me trouble. She's an antique. There we go. Definitely love the ambient glow of the Coleman lantern. It's really nice because you got your headlamp if you want to see something up close and in detail, but the Coleman lantern, pretty hard to beat when it comes to car camping because it gives this nice soft ambient glow. And it's really a nice addition to your campfire. Ooh, let's go see what's for dinner. Can smell it from here. Oh my God. Look at that. Potatoes, steak, smothered in mushrooms. It's gonna be so good. Alright, let's cut into this steak. Let's see. It's a big, thick steak. And we have inadequate cutlery. Oh, yeah. Check it out. Perfect. You want some? So good. That's good. Well, good morning, everybody. We are getting some coffee going. Gonna have some breakfast here shortly, and we're gonna start to prepare for our guests who are arriving later this afternoon. There's a surprise waiting for you inside of the coffee cup. All right, Warden, what are you working on?
I'm working on a potential 7 days on the Ice Age trail trip, our longest trip so far. And what I've come up with is 116.4 miles over 7 days, putting the average at 16 and some a day.
It's pretty solid.
Yeah, I think I'm shooting for the moon as usual.
Sarah's getting the tent ready for guests, keeping things squeaky clean. We're going to let my sister-in-law and the kids have the big tent, and we're going to move into this one right over here, just so that way we have a little more room with the little ones. Ooh, our guests have arrived.
Lay down in your spot, Shelby. Yeah.
She needs that big mat.
Yep.
For that little person.
She thinks it's very comfortable.
Well, it looks like everybody's getting settled in. Frying up some nuggets for the kiddos. Shelby, are you eating your nuggets? You being a good girl, eating your nuggets? You want to sit up here? Okay. Taking the kiddos out on a friendly hike on the Green Trail here at Sandridge State Forest. Nice little trail. It's about 1.75 miles long. Amy's got the baby carrier for when little Shelbs tuckers out. But she's got her hiking spirit on right now. Well, Shelby didn't last long on the trail. She lasted about 10 feet, and she wanted to be picked up and carried in the kiddo backpack. What you doing, Brax?
Because I'm playing.
He's afraid we're not going to come to any sand for the tank out here.
Oh, you're gonna build a sandcastle. Okay.
Where am I going to build it, by the way?
Well, you can build it back at the campsite if you want to. If you're gonna lug that bucket with you. Well, Shelby's decided she wants to walk. Braxton's decided that he's tired and he's gonna sit on this log.
Oh, that's 1,200 poles. Oh, how much poles have I? I found a little...
Shelby's
Said, where's our friends?
she's hitching a ride again.
Yep, hitching a ride. Had to catch up to the friends. She said, where's our friends? Big tree, yeah. That's a big tree.
Can I get in the car?
So you see this symbol here, Brax? When you see, this is a green trail, and then when you see this symbol, that's a symbol of a tent. That means you can camp over here. So this is where the backcountry campsite is. Probably never seen a backcountry campsite before, have you, pal? Now, if you need to take a break, this is a good sitting spot here. Got some logs to sit on.
Yeah. A big one. A big one. A big one.
It's a big log. That's Shelby's stuff. Shelby seed.
You get up there, Brax? Oh,
Shelby's like hopping. She's I'm tired, man.
Don't famous. Like I can act
Not a very outdoorsy kind of guy.
you having a good time, Shelby?
like I can't go up here.
Yeah.
Bubby can't get up there.
That was the other one. It's a big one.
There you go.
Sits on the big one.
You guys are all set.
Oh, you're doing good, Shelby. We don't got too much time. Oh, I think she's ready for a nap. It's my turn. It's your turn, all right.
Get out!
Get out!
You gonna give her another one? Gotta get another wood for Aunt Sarah.
Oh, thank you.
That was big.
That was a big one. All right, put it on. The wrong direction, Shelby. Get in the game, girl. Oh, you gonna catch the football? Gotta get in the game. Get in the game.
Well, getting the place cleaned up. Getting the place torn down. Sarah's dealing with the bug house right now. Hi, Brax. Tearing down the bathroom. Well, guys, we've had an excellent camping weekend. This is the first time we had the family out here, so the video is a little unorthodox compared to what you're used to seeing. But if you haven't hit that subscription button, go ahead and do so now. There's great stuff on this channel. And until next time, we'll see you on the trail.